Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Librans. Okay, so we have the High Priestess, the Nine of Swords, the Death, the Nine of Wands, the King of Pentacles, the Emperor, Page of Wands, the Strength, the Four of Pentacles, Temperance, and again the King of Swords. So Librans, there is something which is really bothering you actually. Okay. There is something which is you are, first of all, you are trying to listen, find a solution to something, listening to your inner voice, trying to find a solution to a certain problem. That's what I feel. Maybe you are not even sharing it with anyone, you are keeping it to yourself, you are looking for the answers within, you are trying to listen to your intuition, but there is something which is really bothering you and you are trying to find a solution to it, and that situation is definitely either ending or it is definitely changing. Okay, but definitely something is coming to an end. Maybe this is something which has been there since a long time. Yeah. It can be that you are dealing with many people at the same time, many. It's like many people are interfering in your life, sort of, or there are many things because other people are maybe interfering in your life. It can be something like that for some of you. For others of you, whatever this is, something which is bothering you, which is really causing you a lot of anxiety and sleepless nights, and it's been quite some time that you are dealing with this situation, but perhaps that situation is now coming to an end and you will feel stable and grounded. That's what I feel. Maybe you will feel okay since this situation is ending. Maybe it's there since a long time, and once the situation ends, you feel good about it, you feel better, you feel grounded, you feel stable. Okay, it can be that also. It seems to be that for most of you. For some of you, it can be there is some sort of interference from other people. That is what is bothering you. It can be that also for some of you. For others of you, whatever the cause of anxiety is, it's there, but there is a major change which is coming in. It's something which is definitely ending. It's a long-standing problem which is ending. It's okay, a long-standing problem which is bothering you, which is worrying you, is coming to an end, and it is making you more stable and grounded. Okay, and more in power, you can say. Okay, and then we have the Page of Wands, the Strength, the Four of Pentacles, and the Temperance. So there is something major going on here, Librans. It's not something small. Okay, you are dealing with it in a step-by-step manner. You are determined to deal with this problem. Okay, whatever it is, somehow what I feel is, though you are feeling better now, but still there's something, still it's something, it's still lingering. That's what I feel. It's some maybe the major part is over, but then it's like the tail end still, and you are gradually, step by step, using all your willpower and determination and patience, you are still trying to come out of a situation. That's what I feel. So maybe the major part is over, but still something is still there, and once the major thing is over, you feel good about it, but still it requires some effort to actually come out of it. That's what I feel, because you're taking small steps, you're really closed off, you're not even telling people about it, and you are trying to balance yourself. So it can be the effect also of this. Okay, it can be that maybe the problem itself is over, but it has that after effect which and you require some time to cope up with it or come out of it, and you are doing that in a step by step manner. It's something like that, and trying to balance yourself or balance your life. It's something like that. So maybe it is the tail end of the problem, or maybe the after effect of the problem which you're dealing with, which is definitely coming to an end. But that is the good news here. But then, yes, it still has that impact, and slowly, but then slowly and steadily, you are coming out of it, and you are balancing your life. Again, the strength card is coming out from this deck, so definitely it's something which is really causing you, it's really bothering you. It's not something which you, it's not easy. Whatever you're dealing with isn't easy. Guidance from the angels, healer of emotion. This is the time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to take care of yourself. Flashes of intuition provide you with incredible insights. You or the another person is kind, tender-hearted, loving, and a trustworthy friend. So Librans, whatever you are dealing with, the good news here is that yes, it's coming to an end. Though you may you may still take some time to cope up with the after effects or the sequelae or your own life, or whatever the after effects it has, or maybe the tail end of the problem. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.